ngiyathi mina ukuthi ulele uve nje ushaywa ungaboni umuntu ngiyakwathi lokho
futhi
ulele ube ushaywa
yena ukuthi ukhuluma indzaba
ngiyakwathi ukuthi uthi njani somcuba
yes
somcuba akafanga kahle labantu bekufuna ke bahambe bayelapha bayolanza umphefumulo waso umcuba
yes
azange bakwenda ngobe bebakwatile phinze futhi somcuba ulwa ufa nje bayalwa ngeSwati lidloti uma ke linjalo alifuneki ukuthi libe sekhaya kungako nemuntu uma kashone ngengoti yemoto akafakwa ekhaya
Diyabhadla tisabhadla namanje bakithi inkundla abahlathi imkhunto kaShaka lo ngibuyile futhi nina bekuhlangana ngangibani nginemnakethu ngihamba nemnakethu lana babe ncamphalala ninjani bhuti wami
hayi asivusele kuwe mnayethu upheze futhi ngivusele nabo bonke abalaleli betiyabhadla ngejabula ukuthi ngikhona namhlanje ngizokhuluma nani mhlambe ngibhadle kanye nani
emnakethu mina ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi for you to become part of us today ngibonge kakhulu lithimba lethu leli hamba la kutfola mnakethu hey awuthola kalula
yeah no msonto live mningi kakhulu sibala
yeah
lonke live
hey emnakethu lana ngingadi ukuthi kunesicephu sethu lesibuya kiso lesasesudwala sicephu le sishaye kakhulu on social media ngingadi ukuthi mhlambe bowucaphucaphunile na umnakethu wasibona sindlula lapha according to your take uyibona njani lenzaba leyo mnakethu
lenzaba mangibukela lapha ku YouTube wenu ngibukana nama comments ebandla ngapha
the ghost of Sudwala
yeah ngicabanga ukuthi lekafike ngakubona mina ukuthi kunesidingo sesikahle kahle sesike sihlele phansi sibuke umlando kahle wethu sesingamaswati ukuthi sibuya kuphi akusekahle ukuthi ukhanze umntwana weliswati
yes
ati umlando webelungu ibohikla
kunjalo
America London nanani but angawadi lo wakhe umlando so ke abantu labaningi ngabona ukuthi bayathuka ukuthi lapha kungcwatshwe umuntu lokuthiwa ngisomcuba waseSwatini bathi buthi ufike njalo eSouth Africa somcuba ngoba phela kusiya wala
yes
but ke kumcwaya ukuthi abantu bathi ukuthi sibuya kuphi singemaswati lenzawo lesikuyo linyalo lana kahle bekuseSwatini liva leSwatini belihamba lengce boLadenburg
yes
lihambe liyoengca eJohannesburg ufike lapho khona kuthiwa kuseSophia Town khona so kusuka ke la sikhona khona manje uye eLadenburg uhambe uyofika eSophia Town leyo bekuyindawo yemaswati le kungako ke ukhanze ukuthi uma abantu bathi kahle kune ngosi bekuthiwa ngizwide kalanga ngale yemaZulu
yes
lenkosi leyo ike yacabana kakhulu nenkosi yemaswati
yeah
lebe kuthiwa ngisobhuza wekuqala udakumula ukuthi baba Mswati khona manje ngisobhuza wesibili
yes
sobhuza wekuqala wacabana naye izwide kalanga balwa ngenzaba baba ngomhlaba nabalwa ke waseke sosuka sobhuza uyacela ukuthi uyathi kuze ukuthi singalwi la singacabali kuyaphambili cela ukuthi ukunikete umntwana wakho salaba ngumfati wami kuze kuthi sakhe ebhlobo kwalethwa ke lomnye umntwana wakhe ezwidi lobe kuthiwa ngithanzile Ndwandwe princess Thanzile Ndwandwe uma ke mhlambe kube business cards
yeah
mina uchaza ukuthi egama ethi Tsanini livela njani legama ethi Tsanini livela Thanzile belunga bakhona ukuthi Thanzile sebali Tsanini so lokuthi izivela ngawo nayo eLetsanini kwakulive lemaswati kepha ke lokho mhlambe ngeke nathi sikhuluma sikhuluma ngale malanga kepha ke uma ke afika Thanzile lo tawala ngizwide kalanga bekuthiwa naye ngilazide yakafika eSwatini uzanake nasobhuza so utala labantwana lokufaka ikhathi Mswati wesibili namhla sinamswati wesithathu Mswati wesibili washona 1868 bekungumntana walazide nenkosi sobhuza yokuqala makathatha over Mswati uthatha kunabantwana bakubo lokufaka ikhathi Malambule phinze kufaka ikhathi somcuba so laba ke bagcina bacabana sebalwa
okay ngikubambe kancane emnakethu uthi somcuba bekumntwana waMswati wekuqala
somcuba bekungumntwana sobhuza yokuqala
okay
yeah sobhuza yokuqala phinze futhi kube ngumnaka bomswati wesibili bezifukweni lomnye ibhuti wabo bekuthiwa ngimalambule. Bacabana ke labantu nabo nabacabana babangisana ubukhosi ukuthi ngibani lokufuna ukuthi kahle kahle abe inkosi.
Yes.
So ngeke usho ke ngemgomo weMaswati nangemhambo weMaswati.
Yes.
Inkosi vele ufuna ukuthi ube ngumswati wesibili. Kungako wabese usomcuba uyasuka la khona beyikhona khona ngathi le headquarters yakhona yebukhosi lapho.
Okay.
Wethu ohlala la eKhotal Valley. So uma uhamba uya lapha eAkmar nyalo useAkmar khona. Ngila khona somcuba wafike wakha khona. eAkmar yeah. So somcuba wafike wakha khona indzawo yakhe lapho wa establisha indzawo yakhe nema followers wakhe khona. So now sobhuza ke bantu kufanele bakwadi ukuthi somcuba kuze ashone wabulawa ngumswati wesibili. Ngekuthi uhamba wenda ingcwala yena. Ingcwala ayikavumeleki ukuthi ngendiwa noma ngibani ngaphandle kwenkosi. So uma bacabene wamyekela emswati wesibili wathi umnakethe akahambe phela wathi ibhacela lela kabhaca khona. But baseke bokuthi so wenda ingcwala yakhe nyala naye lapha wasayi lokho ngisavuma. Wethu wafike wambulala la. Ungako wagena shonile wangcwatshe lapha ngcwatshe khona lapha kulowo ma caves. So ngesiswati ke emakhosi akalahlwa noma ke awuhambi wambele phansi emathuneni. Walahla ikhathi emadvaleni ekusuka kumgetse nesiswati abafana seboxini namanje akwendiwa lokho. Uma nje uya eSwatini kunenza kuthiwa sembilaneni lapho khona amakhosi afihlwa khona angeniswa khona akafaka eboxini bahlaliswa baphule kahle amathambo bafike bahlale phansi lapha hamba kanjalo amakhosi.
Manje emnakethu uthi kunemsimeto la lokhuluma ngawo uthi incwala lo msimeto loyo. Yini lencwala lena le yabacabanisa kangaka?
Incwala kahle kahle ngumthandazo wesive seMaswati noma ke sive letinengi letikhona eManguni.
Yes.
Lapho khona lesuke tibonga ukuthi sekuqala umnyaka lomusha sowuphelile lo indvulele. Lokho sikwena njani kubonga ukuthi mhlambe kudliwe tibhidvo zetikhona tithelo setikhona sesikhalo bese ke inkosi seyasho ukuthi manje ke sesicedzile ukuthi mhlambe umnyaka sewuphele sicala omunye. Kungako nyalo nje siyadi ukuthi incwala eSwatini inkosi yaMaswati iyeyibite ngabo December. So thina umnyaka wethu kahle kahle uphela ngabo October bese ke December sesinjani sesidla sidlo sekuqala ngekuthi the first fruit. Kungako uma ulala iswati ananathi kuthiwa indlala uselo. Lo selo kahle kahle uyakhumbula ukuthi uma silima simaswati umbila besilima umbila mhlambe silime nesokhama bese sesiba nemaselo nemathanga. So liselo ngilona into lidliwa ukuqala bekuthiwa inkosi indlala uselo. Was inkosi yaze yadla uselo lelo. Senapho ke wonke umuntu uvumile ukuthi manje sesingadla konke ethu sijabule simaswati. So le ncwala kahle kahle vele inkonzo lenkulu leba khona eMaswatini kuze ukuthi abuke umnyaka sophelile sesa njani phambili.
Mfowethu uncamiphalala ngikubambe kancane wena wehlala ngwane. Uma ukhuluma ngayo le ncwala lena bese sengiba suspicious ukuthi ufaka inzaba yemthandazo. Unjani wona lo mthandazo webukhosi? Sho ukuthi ngalamanye amagama uma uyibeka uthi wena bukhosi buyamati nkulunkulu.
Inkinga sikhona nyalo ukuthi sibani labamnyama noma ke ikakhulu eMaswati.
Yes.
Sathi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ulashola ngaye eBhayibhelini. Bokhokho bethu bebakhonda uNkulunkulu ukuthi leBhayibheli. Futhi ke noma ufunza leBhayibheli liyakutshela kahle uNkulunkulu mayakhuluma naMoses eBhayibhelini ukuthi athi mina ngingilo uNkulunkulu wema-Israelites wabo Abraham. Ngalabafishela bekathi bakhola labaye boNkulunkulu but mina ngingilo uNkulunkulu walaba. So nathi our forefathers bebanabo boNkulunkulu babo endamanje solo bakhona. Ningako mhlawumbe kufuna ukuthi sibuke emva ukuthi sibani labamnyama silubekelana kangaka. Sishiyele uNkulunkulu wethu. Sahamba neNkulunkulu alabamhlophe.
Weba.
Akusiye uNkulunkulu wethu loyo. And ngeke ukuthi sithi si mhlambe kadzeni besaliwa nabantu abamhlophe. Kanje ukuthi thina manje sithandaza uNkulunkulu abantu abamhlophe sithina akaside kuze ukuthi sihlule abantu abamhlophe. So thina tingade tiqale ngesikhathi sesikhohle uNkulunkulu wethu silandzela uNkulunkulu abamhlophe. So emakhosi eMaswati neMaswati onke ayadi ukuthi anaye uNkulunkulu wakhe anelindlela yokukhuluma naye.
Hey, wayishaya ke Ncamphalala ngiyathanza kakhulu ke lenzaba lesingena kiyo le yabonkulunkulu. Ngethi ngoba inkinga asikade ngayo siyayihlaba ngalenye ilanga. Ngoba kuyahlupha wona mnakethu bantu ufuna bathi ukuthi kunankulunkulu lesanikwa yena sekunankulunkulu wethu.
Lona uNkulunkulu wabo Jesu akusiye uNkulunkulu wethu thina singemaswati. Ngibekise uma singemaswati mina yethu. Kungako nyalo unganaka kuyaliwa ngala KZN emkhathini wa Nkosi Mizuzulu kanye na Mbonisi ngikhumbula kahle ngathi kuthi ngibalo lokhala lomoya lo. Simakathe
yes.
Ngekuthi angeke Simakathe angadalwa lapha noma ke makwakhe angakenzi lapha bese uyafika soba inkosi yabo. Inkosi italwa ngumfati. So bengeke thine simaswati sivumele manje ukuthi sekutawufika umuntu ekuthiwa ngiJesu lwatalwa ngendlela engavakali watalwa ngaphandle kwasemshadweni ligoya bese kuthiwa inkosi yethu angeke kwendeke lokho. So lento yabo Jesu le akusiyo into yethu thina simaswati into lefika le futhi kufanele siyishiye ukuthi sikhona icula phambili sakhe live lethu.
Uma siyibeka kahle info lesanikwa yona thine bantu
kahle kunalenye incwazi nje lethi how to make a negro a Christian. Incwazi leyo moyifunza iyasho ukuthi bantu abaminyama kadzeni including thina emaswati sasishaywa kuthiwe thani Jesu inkosi yakho shaywe kwaphela eminyaka sishaywa sachuba satala masithuba sitalwa sayisathi ukuthi vele kufanele sathi ukuthi sithi Jesu inkosi lemsizwe empilo yethu size sikhali lento la izange yafika lula batali bethu bakhokho bethu bahluku bethu lento leyifakela kubo kuthiwe nina uNkulunkulu. Mina ngiyasho namhlanje la ukuthi emaswati noma ke abantu bamnyama bakhona iqhubeka phambili abakhohlwe ngenzaba yabo Jesu baphume babile bayinkulunkulu wabo bamkhonde ngendlela emakhosi lasigadze ngakhona ukuthi sena kanjani. Asibe letinkinga lapho.
Umfowethu uNcamphalala la uyayibeka nebehlaka. Uyathi ebnathi sekutheni. Uyabona lethi mina ngitimunya kuwe namhla ngijabule kakhulu. Ngisemoyeni bhuti wami awathi ngijabule kwani. Ngoba abantu bathi balekele njengalethi. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ngingajabula kakhulu. Hey, uyathi I should talk to our technicians. Hey, uyabona lento le this was supposed to go live. Yeah, this was supposed to go live. Bengifuna ukuthi bonela nje those comments rolling down kungimanje nje siyibhadla wena mnakethu. Yemnakethu kunenzaba la lo itsinzile lebaleke kakhulu. Inzaba yemimoya, inzaba yemasiko. Before the history before the science wena mnakethu emabhuku angisho the history that we have this is the history that we've learned, we've read. Sapalelwa ngilabelungu basibhalela. So ngesingawe mnakethu the spiritual take according to the cultural system your aspect wena ngebungawe ukubona njani lokho.
Into thina lefike yaba inkinga kithi ne ukuthi asikhona ukwehlukanisa emkhathini we spirituality and religion. Abantu abaningi manje ba more religious than spiritual. Uma religious kahle kahle sikhuluma ukuthi ngumuntu lo wathi kusitindvo letitsite tenduwa ngesikhathi esitsite ulandzele lokho nje kuphela wena. Kungako emakholwa atahamba ayesonweni ngale ngeSunday kuphela. Emkhathini walamaviki abakuboni ukuthi kahle bathi uNkulunkulu wabo bachila ukuthi kiwa lapha ngeSunday. Sineke simaswati sathi ukuthi kufanele ukuthi uNkulunkulu wethu simkhonde imihla nemihla. Kungako ekhaya kuba kuthiwa kude lekhaya leSwati lekufanele libe khona ngaphandle kwesibaya. Lesibaya lesi kuhlala khona bokhokho bethu. Kungako nomfati mawumthatha mina yethu uhamba umfake esibayeni akhala tinyembeti bese tiwela phasi esibayeni. Lokho kusho ukuthini emadloti alakhala lapha esibayeni amemungela. Futhi ke ensihambama lithi la ngamalishona babo walakhama ngasaphila ahambe ayesibayeni ayobika ukuthi langa selishonile manje. Ngapishana thina spiritually sikhonda imihla ngemalanga asinalo lelanga lokuthi siya kulela ngale vikini sikwenda imihla ngemihla kungakho futhi kwakunemphepo lesayisishisa njalo imihla ngemihla ukuthi sibonge labaphathi ukuthi basigadile sibe khona kungakho ekhaya kufanele ukuthi kube nendlu yakagogo kungakho ekhaya kufanele ukuthi kube nendlu yabafana lokuthiwa la kube nensanga emantombazana leni kuyathiwa ukuthi ebusuku emadloda tazivakashela ayosikhotha makasikhotha ngeke asikhothe sihlangene sibafana nentombatana futhi bathule sehlukene bese ke sebenta imisebenzi yabo sikhona ukuqhubeka phambili so manje lokho sikulahlile lokho manje thina asakhona kwenda ngoba sathi ukuthi si religious le region yesikhuluma ngakhona le akusiyo region yakho ngithi region yakho yabantu le banenhloso yokuthi bafuna ukusimuka lokho lesinako bakha region yabo lesikhona ngayo manje
according to Zudwala mnakethu uyabona on our last episode kunema issues la asendwa balandzeli bethu kakhulu lapha nangibuka bakhala ngekuthi bathi ngendlela beva ngakhona those history lessons labaniketwa wona la kavela kubo social media lapha kusi lenzawo lena ngendlela bona labo labayiphethe ngalinye langa ingadzabuka emkhatsini iwe siyawabona nangemamayini adzabuka emikhatsini ayawa yini lenkinga lento engilabelungu yini labangayilandzeli ngesingawe.
And yeah, just to also support what Dekshi is saying, I think what we are interested on as well as Black people is the fact that we understand the scientific data and the historical data. And I also understand, Guti, you very have a strong opinion about our history as African people. So, kunale issue of culture, which goes in hand with the spirituality. We were told Guti they do rituals lapayana. And some of the things that we know Guti ifu washona bandu, for example, emayini, bawa emkotini, vele kuba nemsebenzi lendiwako. So some of the comments from the people was, what if lenza oleyana iyawa because of the spiritual or the cultural hold lekona already lapayana? I just want to understand your stand of point with the spiritual side of things. We understand the rituals and the history which the other races when they don't have the best interest at heart. So we need to educate people about where we come from. Just wena as engampalala.
Ngesingawe mnakethu ukuthi yini le belingu labangayenzi kahle.
Yeah, ukucala nje lengaveta lento lekuthi wonke ngathini tonke tive tine mgomo noma ke tindlela leti masiko nemahambo yabo sengce tiveni singene emakhaya emindenini elusendveni kulendlela uma kutele umntwana lelo khaya lelo lofuna yendiwe ukuthi umntwana loyo amukeleke la ekhaya
nguva kahle
kulendlela ukuthi uma be kushone umuntu yendiwe zosilomloyo akhulule kahle ahambe kahle so for example uma kwendekile kwaba ne car accident kwashona umuntu lapha ngesiswati kufuna ukuthi kuhambe labo bala ekhaya umndeni la ekhaya uhambe uye lapha uyowenda imisimeto yabo ukuze ukuthi lo mphefumulo walona loshone khona lapha uhambe nabo yawufika ekhaya bese uhlala ekhaya emagcikeni asekhaya abedlodi lasekhaya. Uma lokho bangakwendi lo mloyo uyohlala lapha esigangeni impilo yakhe yonke bese uba nginakule bathi spoko. So uma ke sikhuluma lana ngenzaba yalapha eSudwala utakhumbula ukuthi ngivedile ukuthi ufa kanjani somcuba somcuba akafanga kahle labantu bekufuna ke bahambe baye lapha bayolanza umphefumulo wa somcuba azange bakwenda ngobe bebakwatile phindze futhi somcuba ulwa ufa nje bayalwa ngeswati lidloti uma ke linjalo alifuneki ukuthi libe sekhaya kungako nemuntu makashone ngengoti yemoto akafakwa ekhaya ngeswati ubeka ngaphandle kube nemlinzilo ngaphandle asuke lapha hamba emathuneni ngoba nazi lamletha la ekhaya sikholela ukuthi utafike abangathi inkinga la ekhaya so kuthi umuntu lohamba olanza umphefumulo wasomcuba lapha so
ngikubambe kancane mnakethu uyathi kunale kusomcoko la there are rumors on our followers ukuthi kunema rituals lendiwako lapha
and wangibani
ngalamanye amagama uma uthi wena akuzange kwentiwe lokuthi lelanga ashona ngalo somcuba lapha wayolanzwa angathi ngesiswati ukuthi ubitwa ukuthi uyini wona lo msimeto lowo manje those ritual labakhuluma ngawo ukuthi ayendiwa khona lapha eSudwala Caves ngemanga emaswati awawati
angeke mina ethu wena bakankosi uhambe wende umsimedo kulanza mina umphefumulo wami ngwangcamphalala akuhlangani lokho kungakho ngithi ngibani lo wenda lo msimedo
kunjalo
inkinga yethu ukuthi we have taken white people and made them to be deputy Jesus Christ and prefects of our morals and that is not the case. So if thina is honest about doing rituals there kufuna kusicela sithi labantu labahlobene nabo bosomcuba le manje kubomswati bayati bona ukuthi yini lengendeka lapha kuze ukuthi lokho lukhuya kokungapheli ngidawubekisa njengoba ngikhulule ukuthi kunemigethe lekuthiwa kusembilaneni lapho khona King Boone angcwatshwa khona 1899 nakashona lapho khona Sobhuza angcwatshwa khona 1982 makashona namswati nayo ingcwatshwa khona labantu abakhe bongcwatshwa khona kuthiwa ngcwatshwa khona emalangeni so kude lokhala ngesibeko khona namanje uma ungaya khona kwanza ukuthi kunemasoja lagadzile khona but kude khala ngesibeko leni ngoba labantu lapha babekwa ngendlela yawo emalangeni ngesiko lakho lilandzelele so uma lokho ngendiwa lokho lokukhona lapha eSudwala bethu ayendeka futhi ke mhlambe lengakusho nje ukuthi vele lapha abantu ufuna bathi ukuthi tinkiyani sithi abakhona ngobe akuzange kwalandzelelwa imigomo nemahambo uma bashola labantu abashona khona and akusibanye azange wabulwa kuphela somcuba lapha wabulwa nomasotsha wakhe ngoba wathi mswati makahlasela lapha wase somcuba uya retreater wangena ekhasi lama caves lawa angena emasotsha amswati wesibili ayibabulala lapha ekhasi lapha abashiya bonke lapha ekhasi lapha so noma ke wena uthi dobalanza utawulanza wakabanga ngoba ngenzeka ufika kaDlamini wena uhambe nebakini nabakhona ushiye bakaNkambuli ushiye bakabani bani ilapho lenkinga lapha
kunjalo so emnakethu ngifuna kuyicala la wena ngesingawe umuntu lokholelwako ukuthi lento bathi tipoko iyaphila ikhona iyabonwa vele abantu bayibona uma ngabe kwendiwe mhlambe timpazamo leti njengaleti lotibeka ku wena ukuthi umuntu washona wangalanzwa
ngiyakholelwa kuloko mina 100% la khona ngibe ne problem khona ngilendlela I mean for instance I don't take Christianity very seriously at all.
You don't take what?
Christianity very seriously.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
okay.
I don't and I even wish that when I'm dead they will not even come there and make noise and all that. I mean because they've distorted our cultural things. So for instance lokhuma my brother akulungi ukuthi sibani labamnyama sicale ku-analyze a society based on the views of white people. Mina I've got a master's, in fact manje I'm going to graduate for my master's degree in animal science. I respect data gathering. I respect all the scientific processes. I respect them. But before I am an animal scientist, I am a Swazi person. You know, I was born of Swazi blood.
Yes.
And imihambo yamaswati
ngicela kubamba bhuti wami uqhubeka wena wasekhaya ngumnakethu wena
so inkinga yethu thina la ukuthi sitshelwe nge-scientific process let's see kufanele ukuthi uma ungumuntu ulandzele i-data uyilandzele ukuthi ithini bese uyaconclude uyabona so lana lokubeka ukuthi kube problem to respond directly ukuthi vele do you believe because ligama lekubelieve by the way lihlukile ukuthi uyadini
yes
so mina angibelieve mina phela nje ukuthi tikhona tipoko noma ke bakhona abantu baphilako ema spirits even emaswati kadzeni uma sikhuluma ngabo mandindane sasikhuluma into eningi lebantu bangalathenga besikhuluma ngani for instance ezamaswati we have had encounters with alien life. That's why you must come ngabo mandindane sikhuluma about alien life. Yes, we've had encounters with them as a Maswati. So the spiritual part of life, we've always recognized it. And the game for you too. I don't want to enter into details or nitty-gritties on the matter. But la ngikhula khona ngikhulele ekhaya letinyanga. Ngiyathi mina ukuthi usulele uve nje ushaywa ungaboni umuntu ngiyakwathi lokho
futhi
ulele ube ushayo
yemna ukuthi ukhuluma indzaba
ngiyakwathi ukuthi uthi yabona uthi ulele endlini nga6 o'clock kube nemsindo ukuze kushaye 6 o'clock ekseni ngiyakwathi lokho ngiyakwathi ukuthi abantu bangaccuse ukuthi gogo wakho wena uyini nani uyinyanga akasiloko ngiyakwathi kuyenyangeni ngihambe nabatali bami siyogeza ngiyakwathi lokho nanyalo nabe kufuneka enyangeni mina anginye ebusuku ngiyemini kube bekuna TikTok bedaze ngibe nakho na TikTok ukuthi inyanga kahle kahle sibona kanje abantu bangasabi ke enyangeni
hey brother wabona ngekuthanza komuntu lo njengawe mina umuntu lo tivetayo because they always say that nabo labelungu bayasho bathi you must know where you come from.
Yes.
Know your roots.
Yes.
Utatisise na umuntu. Ngiyamthanda umuntu lo njengawe. Yemna kethu ngalamanye magama wona uzama kuyibeka ukuthi esudwala tipoko tikhona bantu bayatibona.
ngehlali ngabe khona tikhona
Ngenxa ukuthi kunemisimento lengazange ihamba kahle.
uma ulandzela lento bengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi umuntu angashona kuye kwendiweni
Yes.
kungako khanze ukuthi etindzabeni etinyeni la khona kuba khona ingodi etimoto abantu bashona kugcina sekuthiwa lapha aluhambi lolubuyako ngezala sekuthi labantu labanyeni labangadli ikakhulu bona belungu bantu bathi ngeti kakhulu la eAfrica bantu bafike bafe lapha bona bangayinikwe lapha bathi ukuthi lo muntu ufile lo yabahiye lapha sekuba itipoko lenzayo leto leni ngoba labantu abathi ukuthi umphefumulo womuntu yalandwa so silapha ke lasikhola khona manje ngenzayo ukuthi namfowethu sesikhohle thina emasiko wethu singemaswati ukuthi senda kanjani lokunye nje kwenza ukuthi manje you know I was reading the paper lokhuluma about the rate of divorce in South Africa it's very very high people are divorcing and learn ba divorce abantu this because ngendlela labathatha ngayo bafati uma ngendlela labashada ngakhona akusiyo le ndlela yemaswati
akusiyo le misimento lele kungiyo
so lamadloda asekhayeni akathu na kusinemfati Angisona utshele Jesu ngibani Jesu kuwe
ubuya
ukwate lapha ukhona umlomnyama umlungu longafela umlomnyama lezulu kube belikhola ngendlela lesitshela ngaye eBhayibhelini ngabe zange basitshela belungu ngabe balifihla but wathola sofile ukuthi khona
yemna kethu mina into lengithanze kakhulu ngithanzele indzaba yokuthi uthi wena emakhosi bewanesikhathi sekuthandaza
sikhona namanje anaso namanje
bahlangane bende umsimeto bakhuleke
Yeah.
babonge enkosini le yabo labatiyona bona
yes
so ngalamanye magama bantu benda tinkonzo talonkulunkulu lebalethelwa yena banikwa yena batshelwa ngaye banikwe emabhuku ukuthi bafunze ngaye
yes
hey diningi mina lethu
bakhohle ngulonkulunkulu wabo bakhohle ukuthi yena ukhuluma njani naye yabona mina yethu uma ufunza lama Abrahamic religions
yes
onke adokutshela Judaism Christianity and Islam badokutshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona nethi bambitha indlela ehlukene
yeah
wow bambitha ngaYahweh labanye bambitha ngaAllah
yeah
and so on and so forth yabo so that is how they conceptualize God for me as a scientist when I define God it's the sum total of all the laws of physics as they are known that's God for me but ke sineke sibantu abamnyama sithi uNkulunkulu khona ngomveli ncadi lo lesiNkulunkulu sho ukuthi uma kabuta ukuthi uNkulunkulu lona njani siNkulunkulu we say ukuthi in fact sine bese umkhulu bomkhulu because ke bolungu labakwazi umkhulu bomkhulu base bathi khulu wavela gaba siNkulunkulu ngithi bekumvele ncadi ngomkhulu omkhulu lwabakhona ekucaleni sengabe khona you know why that thing happens
yes.
It is because basically sibelieve ukuthi sibantu sakha iculture
yes.
generally and develop my rules of engagement and so on and so forth
okay
so uma wena ushona namuhla uhamba uyojoin abakini sebalala
ngiyakuva
ufike ube ne contribution lo yendako based on your lived experiences for instance umkhulu wami lwashona mhlambe 1820 or even 1700 azange sayibona imoto but mangishona mina ngiyoba joina ngoba sengithenga imoto mina njengemntulane wabo sengindaba ne briefing ukuthi imoto ihamba kanjani and that be more valuable in protecting ini lengibashiye ngemuva
hamba ngetimoto
lebona manje mhlambe they may not be effective because azange bayibona imoto isebenza kanjani
nguva kahle
and kungako ke ngihlala ngitshela abantu mina ngithi uma umuntu ungakafunzi ungayi esikolweni you must know ukuthi utaba ibed ancestor because you don't understand you know the scientific process.
Kahle kahle.
Yes. So uma uhambile yabona i-ancestor ele PhD for instance can be able to guide you to attain a PhD.
Ube lidloti
Yes.
lelikahle
Yeah.
lelatiko
Yes.
imisimelo
Liyathi ngegawuni hayi ledloti lathi bajuba kuphela. Ledloti lathi ngegawuni.
kuva kahle yemnakethu kunendzaba la lesetulu
Sorry,
indzaba lesemcoka kakhulu
ngifuna kubudane before
Yes, Sister P.
we go far.
okay
Ngeva kunasomcuba kunasobhuza uSudwala leligama la Sudwala lichamuka kuphi? Is it a king? Maybe to take us back to why is it called Sudwala?
Dinzawo ngeSiswati betinikwa emagama ngekuthi bekunginabani lapho enziweni leyo utawukhumbula ukuthi njengoba ngikhulumile ukuthi lo somcuba bekade ibona yena ayinkosi so kahle kahle singathi somcuba manje bekangilo lomunye wase KZN loba ngisamisa uZulu manje Misa uZulu kena ngumswati wesibili so bese kana yabeketi khulu takhe la endzaweni
okay
so uzodwala kwakusikhulu salendzawo leya lo bekabuke lendzawo lapho khona bukhosi babuhlala ngakhona lapha ku Akumadu ke uqhubeke ubheke bosaphi so dwala bekabeke ngisomcuba ukuthi kube ngilomunye lobuke lendzawo loti khulu takhe leti khulu ke leti maswati atikabi lapha kuphela uma nje sikhuluma ngetikhulu etikhola la bopinari wherever la South Africa tikhulu etibeke eMaswati leto kungako la South Africa namuhla kude inkosi eMaswati inkosi eMaswati yinye ngilelele uma ungena emphakathi uyathola ukuthi kunesithombe senkosi eMaswati angithanza I mean I'm not a fan of the king but uma understand imihambo yethu lokho vele kendiwe and kungako kwanze ukuthi bantwana manje la tikhuta la sathubela abantwana kusiboguca umhlanga bacela sekwane but yakona manje so in short they are still paying tribute to the monarch.
Curiosity wena mnakethu you're not a fan of bukhosi inkosi may I ask why
inkosi ngebantu inkosi exists for the people not the people existing for the king so uma ubuka nemagama labeka sho ngibaba wamswati manje lo swashona sophuza by the way you know one day maybe we must discuss how apartheid government tried to give back this land to Swaziland around 1982
okay
yeah there was even a court case Kachapres went to court to challenge that decision and he did win la bisina babe Inos Mabuza that was challenged decision or Arotambo president of the ANC at the time flew to Swaziland to meet Sopuza as a card-carrying member of the ANC to engage him on the matter. But asikho lapho. Ngifuna ekutheni ukuthi so bantu that which must be understood very clearly is the fact that inkosi ngeke ize abuse abantu. Ayikwendi lokho. So Bhuza bekane ukuthi athi lokho lenkuphethe mina sekwami kwesifa. So angeke kwanze live ngendlela live lemaswati lihluphe ngakhona uma ukhona khona. Bese lenkosi naso yeba ukuthi iphila kanjani njalo. Uyabona ukuthi kumadima. Lenkosi likhaza ngathi naseyi labantu ngibo ngenxa yayo inkosi ngebantu hayi kusi bantu ngenkosi akuhambi njalo.
No, I get your point right there.
Sorry, Pas.
Yes.
Ngampala Sudwala na Sidwala.
Yes.
Sido Aba. Is it the same person?
No, uma ukhuluma ngesidwaba. Ne? Because by the way ngeSiswati Siswati language site D akwedikalanzelo ngi-W
okay
yeah kuba la D bese kuba na V na W
yes
so letinye ma spellings particularly alahleke when white people were writing our history kungako ngikhulumela ukuthi Princess Thanzile namuhla uvela njenga Princess Thazini kuthiwa yini Zanini but that is Thanzile you know but you know the deeper history I wish one day we can even discuss about Grobler ukuthi Grobler uvela njani in the whole thing the biggest king of things ukuthi ngibani Grobler and what is his role in the development of Swaziland you know history and the colonization that happened by the way disposition of the land and so on and so forth so I'm saying there's been that distortion that has happened over the years based on who is writing our history but ngeSwati kunabo strashini now uninzi abathi sestrashini
Estrashini,
endawo
ya, ya, ya,
sasedwaleni nani ya kuthi labo dwana
lamagama ethu lalamnanzi esiswati ayantshintshwa antshintshwe nje kungabi indzaba yalutho ngilabelungu.
yeah, that is what is called epistemic violence, where uhamba uyoshintsha emagama la existayo yabantu ufake lawakho lwacabanga sangiwo wona.
Inkingi
Uma singabele emuva kunenge lokonakele ngalento leyo.
yemnakethu
Ukhanze umuntu ekuthiwa kancama phala kude into leyo. Umxolisi ona X, umxolisi unasiwe Swati.
Yeah.
Yeah, wafaka X asasile Swati.
So sudwala na sidwaba muntu mo.
Yes, umuntu omunye.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it's just a pronunciation.
Yeah,
Issues.
it's also the issue of how the word have been distorted, over the years.
Okay.
They lost the meaning and everything.
yemnakethu kunendzaba la lengiyiva komine la indzaba ya Kruger, the Kruger millions, and hey bantu banzinze hey kunalethi story nami I'm one of them. Ngike ngajona ni group sama sinzinza wona lama Kruger rents.
Yeah.
Bathi imali ishaya imali lematima.
Yeah.
yana kuyontshintsha lebo Reserve Bank. Yemnakethu what's your take ngama Kruger rents?
Yeah, I mean they are real.
Ikhona le
Very,
mali.
very real. You know, for instance, ne, kunalomnye udokotela bekuthiwa Dr. O'Neil.
Yes.
Dr. O'Neil was a medical doctor afunze Harvard. And nguye lwashutha tithombe taSobhuza Dlamini, Inkosi Sobhuza, Baba Mswati, when he was being coronated in 1921.
Yes.
And he also knew the father of King Sobhuza, that is King Puno. And he knew there was the Queen Kwamile Labotsibeni Mdluli, who, by the way, for me, is the greatest leader that has ever lived in Swaziland.
Okay.
The reason it's so Gogo in Swaziland, show Babeli Gogo Kwamile Labotsibeni.
Okay.
That's why today so Gogo. But because of that, and today we are not there. So I'm saying that this man, in paying for the right of taking those pictures, he had to pay 500 kekli, like kekli literally, and also Opatala with a lot of gold that was taken there by the royal family at the time around 1918. So, I mean, it's part of the payment. So, gold has always been part of our culture, and now, umake umuntu omdzala, abantu abadzala be-dispatch, yabona, abantu dispatch abantu abadzala, uba neqotho, kwami faka iqotho namanje usaphila, faka iqotho. La uma ngabe ngimpa imali akayithathi le mali ayifake esibhajini wathi iqotho ayikhungele khona ayifake la ayibophe la qhala lakhe uma ke sekwetekile waba nalokunyenti kunaloko uhamba umuntu omdzala ukugubhele phansi ubeke khona.
Yes.
And laba Kruger millions, by the way, akasuwe ba millions akruger kuphela, even nathi black people have got our own millions, but sekuthi sizathi ukuthi imali beyisebalungini kuphela. So Kruger ke naye unala millions wakhe that he was using, by the way, to fund the great trek of the Boers. So that's why we've got these billions. And the people must also understand that, by the way, most of them they are in Mpumalanga.
Yes, because it's also said ukuthi Kruger used to hide Bopeula lapha at the cave.
Yes.
And also the second Boer War, they
Yes.
used to hide their ammunition there by the cave.
Yes.
So basakhona nje labo Paula.
Peula angisho lo Kruger ngPaul Kruger, so
Yes.
baze basi imali ya Peula basho leligama lakhe Kruger, it's Paul Kruger, so
Yes.
Paul Kruger rents ngPeula leligama lakhe labo Peula basho le mali. So yeah, njengoba asho, to add on what you're saying, kuvakala ukuthi khona lapha eSudwala ikhona le mali ya Peula.
yathi ukuthi balaba black people, how they end up knowing about these things. Usually bekuthi even belungu they believe that at the time.
Yes.
They believed ukuthi if ufihla leyo mali leyo, you must kill people to guard it. Uma ngakutshela manje ukuthi wena you are going to be my guardian angel for the rest of your life, ne?
Yes.
And uvume wena and I kill you. We are going to do that because that was the last commitment that you made.
Yes,
So, so many slaves were subject to that and they were killed bese le mali yaqhatha lapha. Kungakho le mali ngeke uyithole lula ngoba those people committed to defend it. And noma uthi uyayithola ufuna uyikhupha kuthiwe ilapha ngeke uzoyithola malula. Kufanele ube nemsebenzi lo indawo ukuthi labantu abegadzile bakhona ukuvumela ukuthi uhambe uyifika kuyo. Uma ungakeni lokho ngeke uzokhona ukufika kuyo. So because ke our relatives were killed there lenza bawulena isiphele ukuthi bani ubulewe ukuthi aqathe imali ebelungu lapha nalapha uma ufunza umlando noma kushone inkosi Bunu
Yes.
kwabulawa 10 endunatake lapho uzosti imgathi lapha ethuneni lakhe so vele simaswati sasigwenya lokho in the belief of the afterlife and akusithi nekuphela lokho by the way you know ukuthi civilization as we know it began here in parts of Swaziland.
Okay.
It began here. That's why we've got Inzalo Yelanga lapha. Inzalo Yelanga is actually more older than the Stonehenge of England, far older than the pyramids of Egypt. That is that place called Inzalo Yelanga. And it is here in Mpumalanga, by the way. And
I remember.
Yeah. So even mining began here.
Okay.
Yes, the oldest mine in the world today is there in Swaziland, just next to Oshuk. It's called Ngwenya Iron Ore Mine. It's the biggest mine in the world. It's a World Heritage Site.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah. So gold started here in Barberton and moved towards that place of Johannesburg. That is why even the first stock exchange was in Barberton, including the first swimming pool, by the way. And the first brothel. It still exists in Barberton if you go there.
Yemna bethu curiosity so ngikubude ngithi manje le mali emnakethu bakhuluma ngekuthi bathi kuze le mali uyithole kune bantu labadzala lekumele bakuvakashele bakhombe yona le mali uwedwa ungatsheli umuntu hey mina ngicurious ngiyafisa kwathi ukuthi kuliqiniso ngakanani emnakethu ngiyafisa nje ukuthi nami bakithi nje bangikhumbule bangikhombe imali yabo phewula ngoba hey bathi kuyavukwa la
Kufuna ukuthi ube umuntu lothembekile mina yethu. Kangoba labadzala bakini batho wathi ukuthi uma sinika umnotho simnika kulomfana wethu lo.
Yes.
Utawuba kangoba uphathe kahle bonke abantu labakhona kulolu sendo lwethu. Lapho ke uyanikeda lo mnotho leyo. But uma bakubona ukuthi lo zomnika lento abaleke nayo. Ngeke bazi bakunika.
Ngoba labana ngikushaywa tayela mntwana.
Lapho ngeke bazi bakunikeda nathi. Ngeke bazi bakunikeda ngoba nawe kufuna ukuthi ukhone ucabangela labanye abantu. Yabona. Kungako mina yethu yabona lento bekuthwala ne.
Yes.
Gogwami bake wangitshela wathi lento ekuthwala ikhona. If ufuna kuthwala I can take you there but it's not advisable. And you know I was saying to one of them, but why is not advisable? Because I think this is very important. You know, I don't want to die and leave my children poor.
Yeah.
Then she said, no, uma utwala, ne?
Yeah.
The spirits are made inside that they will go and take from the future generation that you might have. If when you were given, say, maybe 15 cents, and the next one also got 15 cents, the next one 15 cents, le mali masebuya kuwe ilanda from those people laba supposed to be living in the future iniwe wena washona wena iyahamba yonke le mali elabanye amba kwakho ngeke basaba nayo
kuhlupheke titukulwane netitukulwane
uyashona namuhla kusasa akusabonakala ukuthi konke lebukana kwase kuphele sekunyamalele bakulandzile bona ngathi bakhona
yemna kethu lento iyashaya iqhaye mina kethu indzaba yemali yabona imali yaphela ngifuna isikhathi lesithe bhuti wami angifuni nje ngisho ngifune ngenhlitiyo yami yonke
ya uma uyifuna awuvele nje uhambe kufuna ukuthi uye kulabadzala la kuniketa wona nangabe bakhona ukuthemba awuvele nje usuke nje uhamba no
esikhathi siyashiya mina kethu kodwa kuna yenye indlela engifisa ukuthi ungayichaza lengicabanga ukuthi balandzeli bethu bangayithanza kakhulu yemna kethu according to the knowledge that you have with the part of Swaziland in our country
yeah
uma ubuka khona ngale bo Witbank wherever it is inganani lenzawo lena
indzawo lenkulu kakhulu futhi le ngicabanga ukuthi mangibuya la ngilawuda nale map the original map of Swaziland I do have it
that's interesting
yeah I'll just give you the original map of Swaziland so bo Witbank basically tindzawo temaswati leta and kungako emaswati alwe kakhulu nemapedi kubangwa ema minerals lapha batokutshela emapedi ukuthi emaswati akahlangana nebangisi ayohlasela emapedi ngeke ukuthi they had a common interest at the time
wakhala sibhacu lapha
kubangwa
igolide nemalahle nayo yonke lena
na konke lena so basically la sikhona khona nje sesivala ngasho ukuthi because African Union yathi lama inherited borders must not be tampered with makayekele njengoba njalo
okay
kube akuzange lokho kwendeka ngabe manje seswaziland And ke nekusho ukuthi eSwaziland manje as we speak by the way kunelibandla labekwa ngumswati lekuthiwa i-Boundaries Commission.
Yes.
They are still engaging because this land must go back to Swaziland. By the way, I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but I'm saying it is actively happening now. And nobody disputes the fact that this part of South Africa, so they call it Swaziland, which is why, by the way, Swaziland became a British protectorate. We're merely asking the British to protect her from Emapun. Otherwise, today, maybe that's South Africa, the whole part of it.
Hey, mnagethu, let us save it for our next episode. Ngitakusika kakhulu mnagethu Sato 7. Tindzaba lolato, tingoti mnagethu, timnanzi. Hey, ngifuna kwathi even more. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Tindzaba ngumfowethu ngamphalala la, usatha uganza abuye mnagethu. Ngibonga kakhulu. Thank you so much to have you on my studio today. Thank you my brother.
So that was Bantu, they must do research about these things and know who's Bobo Bane, honestly.
No, that's good. Really, it's important. People must research themselves.
Yeah.
Siyabonga.